In this video, we will learn how to merge PDF. So let's start. So here I have some PDF. I just open my folder. You can see I have a total 8 PDF file. So these different PDF file I'm going to merge together. So by using the online free tool. So here I open the one website. So ilovepdf.com/merge dash pdf. Okay, here I select all the files those you I want to merge it. Okay, so select the PDF files options, and here the select the file those you want. So I select the one file and press the Ctrl A to select all and click on the open, and here you can see the all file is showing. Okay, so on the right hand side had the merge PDF option. To change the order of your PDFs, drag and drop the files as you want. So you can easily drag and drop and change the order accordingly those way you want. Okay, and if you want to remove any page, you can easily remove the page. Just click on this cross sign. Okay, and here the order file name A to Z you can set also. So file name, as per file name is order is set. Okay, is a sort the data. Okay, PDF file. Okay, and after that this just click on the merge PDF option, and here your merge PDF file is ready. Just click on the download merge PDF, and here your merge PDF file is downloaded. I just open this folder, and you can see in downloads folders my merge PDF file is downloaded. I just double click on it and check here the all PDF is merged together. So this is a way you can merge your PDF files by using the online free tool. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.